Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a window regulator in a Jeep Liberty. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a trim removal tool, various sockets, and a screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Next, carefully remove the interior door panel, making sure to detach all electrical connectors. Finally, gently peel back the vapor barrier to gain access to the internal door components. This prepares the door for the next steps. Now, let's remove the faulty regulator. Begin by supporting the window glass firmly in the fully up position using strong tape to prevent it from falling. Next, unbolt the window glass from the old regulator assembly. Disconnect the electrical connector from the window motor. Proceed to remove all mounting bolts that secure the regulator to the door frame. With the bolts out, carefully maneuver and extract the old regulator assembly through the door's access opening. Installing the new regulator is the reverse of removal. Carefully insert the new window regulator assembly into the door cavity. Align it precisely and secure it with all its mounting bolts, ensuring they are snug. Reconnect the electrical connector to the window motor. Next, carefully attach the window glass to the new regulator assembly, making sure it seats correctly. Double-check that all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications for optimal performance and safety. With the new regulator in place, it's time to test and reassemble. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Operate the window up and down several times to confirm smooth and correct functionality. Next, reattach the vapor barrier, ensuring it forms a proper seal to prevent moisture intrusion. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the door panel. Finally, carefully reinstall the door panel, securing all fasteners and trim pieces. Your window should now operate perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.